This is going to be the second movie on this accident that occurred to the California Seth Thomas clock. What I'm going to do in this movie is to start this going again as I did in the last one, but this time I'm going to keep pushing the pendulum until it gets a wide enough arc that I will force it to trip. And we'll see then just how violent this will become. Right now, I am pushing this just about as far as it can go without hitting the two legs in the pipe leg stand. And I will show that to you now. So it appears that from the graph that Brian had made, when I looked at it briefly, it looks, you have a blue line and a black line. It looks like the blue line was the amplitude of the pendulum, which seemed to go off the chart. And of course then also there was wild swings in the period. Now that wild swings in the period, I'm sure has to be due to tripping. But I'm not sure how you got the wide swings in the measurements of the amplitude, if I'm reading your chart correctly, Brian. So this second experiment does not seem to make a big difference in how violent the overall mechanism gets with a wider swing, and I'm still unable, under any circumstances, to make it trip. Now, one other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate more power being applied by just simply manually pushing this next wheel over. Let's see what happens. You can hear it. I'm really pushing very hard. Just as hard as I can, actually. And I still cannot make it trip. That is, I'm pushing literally as hard as I can. And now you can hear how the sound softens after I let go of this wheel. So, again, once again, I'm unable to really recreate how this catastrophic failure would have happened in the identical clock in California.